to jump on Leo Gilling Live. All you have to do is to jump in. It's pretty free. Please just jump onto Leo Gilling Live. Search Leo Gilling Live on in Facebook and jump in. There's not going to be any problems over there. We had some problems over it. We got kicked off about 4 times off of Jamaicans.com, and I'm not so sure what the problem is. Please, 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 just go on to Leo Gilling Live. If you're listening to me, just go on to Leo Gilling Live. You won't have any breaks over there at all. So please, Anne McCreath, Don Wilson, Peter Folks, Dave Robinson. If you're on Jamaicans.com, please just jump on over. Wesley Smith, you go to Leo Gilling Live, you won't have any problems. You won't be kicked off at all. Dave, go to Leo Gilling Live. Carol Clementson, please go to Leo Gilling Live. Please, please, please. Sandra Castle, please go to Leo Gilling Live. Don Wilson, go to Leo Gilling Live. Please, please. It's yes, we soothing music, Mr. Smith. But please just jump over to Leo Gilling Live, or just go to leogilling.com and you'll have me fully. Please feel free to jump onto Leo Gilling Live, and we'll be there. All right, here we go. you if you feel okay with the breaks, because we've been having a lot of breaks on Jamaicans.com since yesterday, and I'm not so sure what it is. There are 4 breaks on Jamaicans.com. and sometimes I have a little problem getting back on to Jamaicans.com, but I finally do. So if you still want to hear the music continuously, you can move over to leogilling.com. It's the same clarity of the music. But if you want to hear the music continuously, I will continue to refresh and go back onto Jamaicans.com once I get kicked off, once we get kicked off. But I'm not so sure what the problems are with and why we're getting kicked off of there. So I know that Xavier not doing anything to there, but something is happening. And so we got kicked off 4 times yesterday. So I'm saying if you want to move over, if you want to hear the continuous music without the break, because you'll probably miss a few songs by the time it comes back on, just go ahead and move over to Jamaica, to Leo Gilling Live. It's LeoGillling Live, Leo Gilling Live. Just search it on the search bar. You'll find it. You can like the page, and you'll be each time that I go on, you'll be notified, just as you are with Jamaicans.com. Here we go. Your mother's name is. So please go ahead and tell me what your mom's name so we can give her a big shout out. Whether she's alive or she's passed, please go ahead and give me your mother's name or the person who mothered you. I want to know the name of that person. That person is very important to me also, okay? Here we
go. If you leave me, this is what I'll do. I'll go to the river, wanna jump in, when I know something deep within me say don't do it. Oh, but that's what I'll do.
If you leave me, this is what I'll do. I'll hang my head and cry and tell the world goodbye. If you leave me, that's what I'll do.
just say you can't hear me. Carol Clementson. Agra Brown, you can't hear me. Arlene Ilton, can you hear me? Sandra Castle, can you hear me? There's something going on at Jamaicans.com. We're not doing very well from yesterday. But if you want to hear clearly, go on to Leo Gilling Live. The music is clear. Everyone over there can hear me.
Yes, you know. Our love is true.
Yes, and if you leave me, what am I to do? Oh, if you leave me, this what I'll do. I'll go to the river, wanna jump in, when I know something deep within will say don't do it. Oh, but that's what I'll do.
I want to say good evening to Grace Ringrose, good evening to you. Norma Ozzy, good evening. Daniel Nicholson, good evening. I hope you're enjoying the music. Wesley Smith, it says it's sunny Sunday afternoon here in Kingston. Good afternoon. Wesley Smith, good evening to you, my friend. Don Wilson Roberts, Patricia Davis, Grace Ringrose, Daniel, good evening to all of you, and thank you, and welcome for a wonderful Mother's Day afternoon. Good evening to you. Yes. We got to take it from. I hope everyone is hearing me. The people on Jamaicans.com, the people on Leo Gilling Live. I hope you're hearing me quite clearly. So just say yeah, or something that to let me know that you're hearing it. Yes, I can. Yes, I am speaking in the mic, guys. I'm so sorry if you're not hearing me. I'm speaking in the mic. Quite. So please just tell me. I'm looking to see your response. Hi, Leo. I'm enjoying every moment of it. Norma Ozzy is enjoying this. Please tell me if you're hearing me when I speak in the mic. That's very important to me before I move on. Let's see, Marie Smith, loud and clear. Thank you very much.
Blue moon, you saw me stand
for the persons who are unable to hear me on Jamaicans.com.
Oh, yes, well.
His music is pretty clear on Leo Gilling Live.
Oh, yeah.
So if you want, you could switch over to Leo Gilling Live.
Oh, yes.
We have some problems over on Jamaicans.com.
Oh, yes, oh, yes, oh, yes.
Not sure what it is.
You had plenty money in 1972. You let the other man made a fool out of you.
Peter.
You do right, like the other fools do. Get out of here, get me some money.
It's called Blue Moon.
If you had to pay it 20 years ago, you wouldn't be drifting from door to door.
Happy Mother's Day.
Do right, like the other fools do. Oh,
Peter says he remembers his song when he was 7.
get out of here,
Blue Moon.
get me some money too.
say good evening to Gretel Bradford.
I see you walk with day after day, I'm more confused. Day after day.